Activate AC Guard on SD Amigo Panel. The Sveba Dahlen AC Guard is a smart power distributing device that makes it possible to connect the oven to a smaller circuit breaker. This means that the AC Guard distributes the power to the decks that need it most. No need to upgrade the power into your bakery. The oven handles it by itself. The AC Guard must be activated on all of the oven's panels in order for it to function. If it is only activated on one panel, the oven will display an error message. You must first activate the AC Guard on the lower panel, followed by the oven's other panels. Activate the function by first entering the parameter menu. Press and hold the minus button on the lower display and the plus button on the fourth display, until the fourth display changes to P followed by a number. Use the plus and minus buttons next to the fourth display until it shows P20. Adjust the fifth display to 1 using the plus and minus buttons to activate the function. Repeat the same procedure on all of the oven's panels. When that is done, leave the panel as it is for the oven to return to the off mode. The AC Guard is now active. The next step is to set the oven's supply fuse, which is always done on the lower panel, which is the master panel. Do this by pressing and holding the plus and minus buttons for the third display until the fourth display shows P followed by a number. Adjust the fourth display until it shows P1, and change the value on the fifth display to match the oven supply fuse, in this case 16 amps. The panel is now ready to operate with the AC Guard when you start the oven. This means the oven will prioritize heating in the chamber where baking is actively taking place when using the bake timer, or in the chamber that is furthest from its set temperature. The blinking diode next to the top temperature display indicates when the heating element are inactive and that the other chamber is prioritized.